Laibasi sin thungna thabumama supna sathakhiba National Road Safety Month loishinkibaga iroinana interceptor vehicle ani yauna Manipur Heli Service Portal Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand launch toukhre lamdam asida lakliba anoba lenga asina Semjin Sajindana Lairiba Lambi Thong Kayana Maram Oiduna Tokliba Misi Minagi Sang Hantana Bohanagani Haina Chief Minister na Fongdokre Ngasi State Asiki Transport Department Sinduna City Convention da Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand Additional Chief Secretary Anurag Basbai IFS Cabinet Minister Govindas Konthausamamadi Khuraizam Lokenamadi Chief Secretary Punit Kumar Goilna Mathang Sitna Chief Guest President Amadi Catch-up Owner Oina Saruk Yaduna Pangthokiba National Road Safety Month Observation 2026 Loishin Bagi Tauramda Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand State Asigi Oiba Road Safety Ge Saksin Taurangi Manung Chana Traffic Violators Criminal Activity Emergency Amadi Suspected Vehicle Sing Detect Taubangam Laba Interceptor Vehicle Ani Launch Taukibada Natana Hauzi State Asigi Mapam Kayada Miyangi Satok Sasingi Asoba Taudang Puriba Heli Service Ki Oiba Website Portal Amasu Launch Tauki Portal Asigi Kutang Dagi Miyamna Ticket Booking Taubayawna Service Asigi Oiba Mari Lainabasing Kangbayaragani Hairi Batauram Asigi Manung Chana Thabumama Chupna Chathakiba National Road Safety Month Ki Manung Chana Pangthokiba Tongan ba competition singda Makok Mathang Tarakraba singda Manamatum Singsu Lanthokiba Gailoinana Traffic Police and Motor Vehicle Inspector Singda Road Safety Equipment Singsu Lanthoki
Ano sakala kusna Mating Bangwea Babu, we seven thousand Lami Mamsi, we several Lakanda, Lami no I be accidental, we cook them what is again.
Thank you very much for doing the order.
Together journalists and media professionals to encourage community participation and highlight the importance of fitness, discipline, and alertness. A 10-kilometer run was conducted on 25th January 2020.